I'm Mr. Edwin Gose, patient in the rehabilitation here in Mediatic Hospital. I'm a former chief technologist, radiation oncology division in Central Medical Center, Quezon City for almost 10 years.
Hi, my name is Jacinta Lucille Elena M. Pilar. I'm 13 years old and I am from Sampaguita, Lipa City. I'm a grade 8 student at Ages and Stages School of Lipa. I like to sing and dance, playing Roblox, and I love science and English subjects.
Ako po si Rafael A. Ramos, 15 years old, sa Bang Lipa City. Ako po naglalaro sa Dalasal Lipa as a junior MPBL po. Ang aking pong team isang Viser Ballers. Lalaro po kami sa mga Maynila at mga Alabang po, kung saan po kami sa mga Cavite po.
I'm Ariel Anco from Batangas City and Laguna, 58 years old, currently employed.
Na stroke, hemorrhagic stroke. Yeah.
Kailan pa po kayo na-stroke?
October 7, 2024.
I was diagnosed with hydrocephalus spina bifida when I was still in my mommy's tummy and congenital scoliosis when I was like 9 months old. I did therapy from when I was 4 to 8 years old, but the pandemic hit and I had to stop. Good thing I was able to start therapy again in 2023.
Ako po na-injury sa training at natira ko po ang aking ACL noong November 2024. At nung tagal din po na kayong pinag-intay bago po ako maoperahan. Naoperahan po ako noong April 2025 po.
I was diagnosed with left ischemic stroke last February 2025 in Bangkok.
Well, nasuranan ko bago magpa-therapy, gusto ko makabalik ako sa near normal para magawa ko yung dati kong ginagawa before, yeah.
My mom told me I was a bit late in learning how to move around, so I started working on my balance when I was 3. That way, I could learn to walk properly and not fall over all the time.
Bago magpapiti, grabe yung struggle na tamo ko. Minsan di ko may tupin, may tuwid ang tuhod ko. Pati nagbigay bigat dito ay sobrang ingat na ingat ako. Dahil may pain pa rin talaga siya, hindi nawawala. Hirap na hirap ako makatulog ng pain na ito.
Before therapy, I was completely paralyzed from the half of the head down to the arms and legs. Kaya therapy kailangan talaga para mobilize yung functionality ng legs at arms at speech na.
Physical therapy is a big help for me because I was able to walk, although with assistance, have my balance and dance a little, which I love doing, and it helps with the pain management having my scoliosis.
Tulong ng speech at saka physical therapy, I became independent. Yun ang number 1, yung independence. Kaya yung sa mga family, friends ko, hindi ko naging dependent sa kanila.
Yeah. Dati, nagtuturo ako ng gitara, ngayon kaya ko na. At saka nakapag-atasabad ako ng pajero ko, lusaya ko, nakatasabad ako sa garahe. Oo, okay na. Wala mo na ako nagagawa. Oo, nakakain ako ng mag-isa, kaya ko na. Tsaka nakapagbihis ng damit, kaya ko na. Ng pangitaas, kaya ko na. Marami na ako nagagawa sa tulong ng ng rehab ng Pediatrics Hospital.
Kaya nagte-therapy na po ako dito sa Mediatrix. Nagpapractice na ako ng tamang pagtalon po and tamang pag-landing para iwas injuries na din po. Part na rin po namin ng program ngayon ay Plyometrics na focus po sa sports. So, ngayon din po nakakapagbalik na ako sa outdoor activities din like cycling and running at sa mga pag-shooting po sa larong basketball at mga dribbling.
Talagang wow, tested na mo ito. Sa nangyari sa akin, ang ganda ng improvement ko. Talaga. Huwag kayong aasa sa ibang kwan na hindi magtitira. Napakalaking bagay po sa atin ng mga na-stroke. Ang laking bagay po sa atin. Kasi ano nila ito, linya nila ito. Oh.
To anyone who is unsure about trying therapy, I just want to say that it really helps. At first, I was nervous too, but it made me feel stronger and better little by little. Therapy is not something to be scared of. It's a way of taking care of yourself. Don't be afraid to try it. You deserve to feel better.
Para sa mga atleta katulad ko, maganda magpa-therapy kasi gusto natin makapag-perform out our best level. Hindi natin ito makakaya if may mga pain tayo nararamdaman. Step by step will come proseso sa pagbabalik sa paglalaro. Pero tumaas din ang aking kumpensa ko kahit may trauma sa injury. Nalalaman ko rin tama na mali para iwasan ang future injuries.
Yung stroke talagang debilitating experience. Pag na tayong magtuda sa therapy, ang value ng therapy. Otherwise, it takes long years to recover. Yung recovery mas mabilis pagka therapy at if you want to take your life back, therapy is the way to go.
One Pediatrics.